Infinix has introduced a new smartphone specifically designed for gamers. While most of their products cater to gamers, the GT line in particular stands out as the most appealing choice for those with a limited budget. The new model, Infinix GT 35G Plus, continues this tradition. This time it features a screen with a 6.78-inch AMOLED panel offering a stunning resolution. 1.5K, 144Hz refresh rate, 240Hz touch sampling, and peak brightness of 4500 nits. So it's going to be a display practically at the level of a high-end, even higher than what other high-end devices might be able to offer. When it comes to sound, it features stereo speakers. This is particularly important for gamers as it allows them to hear audio coming from both directions. However, the main appeal for gamers lies in the dedicated triggers located on the frame. These triggers are designed to provide an experience that closely resembles using a gamepad. This is a feature that some other gaming devices offer, but they tend to be more costly. As for the cameras, we are going to find a dual rear configuration with a 64 megapixel main sensor and then an ultra wide angle 8 megapixel, while the front camera is 13 megapixels. On the other hand, the battery is 5500 mAh and supports 45 watts charging by cable, so I think it comes well equipped. Although in this case, unlike other releases of the manufacturer, it seems that it will not have magnetic wireless charging. But on the other hand, in terms of performance, we will find the MediaTek Dimensity 7400 processor accompanied by 8 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and up to 256 GB of storage. The storage is UFS 2.2. It may not be the most powerful in the industry, but you should compare it with its price, where it will likely be competitive. And before knowing the price, I'll tell you it runs XOS 15 based on Android 15, so it doesn't have the latest factory versions yet. We'll need to wait for updates. For now, it has not been very clear if it will have any promised period of software updates. Finally, the price of the Infinix GT30. A 5G Plus in India has been announced with a starting price of 19,499 rupees. However, keep in mind the prices here differ from those over there. We will need to wait for its release in other regions to determine the exact pricing. Let me know if you believe that with these features, this affordable device might provide a truly competitive gaming experience, or if it might not meet expectations.